Yo, 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 what is going on, guys? It is your friendly neighborhood Reiju bringing you some PokeCraft here today, where we will be doing the 7th gym, which is the flying gym, which is...
Sharp, man.
What?
I gotta put on my skin for this gym. Hurry up.
We don't care. Why did you interrupt me? But, now that I have lost my train of thought, they are going to be using each diamond chest plates and hitting each other with their hands to knock them into these holes. There is a slight funny part. If they get a chance to land on a lily pad down there, they will die. It would be hilarious.
Use the birdlies. Use the birdlies.
I guarantee you it happens to bird. Oh, that's hilarious, man. Want you? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit, yo. Get away from me.
They're moving around the ring tactically, push themselves into the center, PvP and getting them critical hits, and they probably won't be doing much damage.
What is it?
Oh, almost falling into the holes. Oh, almost going down in.
Oh! Let's go, baby!
I didn't die. I'm coming up for a rematch.
Okay, well, when Birdly gets back up to the top, up that long ladder up there, we will start part 2. Battle 2 when he gets up here.
Still have all my hearts, but like.
Okay, we are back with part 2 of the PokeCraft 7th gym battle, and we will be throwing it down for a rematch as he has returned from the Poke Center. Let's get it on.
Is that our cue to go?
I think so.
Alright, then.
Robert didn't even. What's going on? Robert didn't even on my screen.
I'm running circles around your bitch ass.
Robert?
How Burley?
Oh, no!
Robert?
Dodging bullets, baby! Oh, Kobe, oh, no! Get out of here! Those kids are gone. Get out of here, kid, you're the worst! No! Oh, go and clutch! Go and clutch!
Where'd he go? I don't even see him.
GTFO knob!
I'm 100% adding dubstep.
I am so clutch!
How did you not just fall off there?
I'm so clutch! Dude, I'm gonna die before I fall off. Run!
How are you not dead, dude?
Run.
I don't even see you.
Like how you...
Green.
I am the best! I had a half heart.
You weren't even on my. Oh my god.
Half a heart.
All the way back at
Okay, we will be back with part 3, I guess, because that was actually that was better than part 1. But we will see if Birdly will ever beat this amazing gym. Okay, so we are back for part 3, and we are going to drop it down again. Match number 3. Hopefully this is the final one. But yeah, so you guys, I'll change up the course every once in a while if it gets as long as it did last time. I'll start knocking out other blocks and launching arrows up into the air. But yeah, so you guys can go ahead. Start it on.
I'll hit you with an arrow.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Like this and just boom.
Whenever you go, I'm going.
Go!
I'm a god.
No! Clutch!
Dude, this kid just lag switched me. I'm fucking recording you. I'm submitting a ticket. You hacked. You're getting recorded.
You are hacked.
PDs win. PDs win.
Don't call him Petey. That's annoying. Nobody fucking knows what that means. Call him Bird. People, you call him Petey and every side sounds gay.
Jokes. My bad. Maybe you shouldn't have named him for the first one. Okay, so Birdly chokes. Birdly chokes.
No.
Birdly chokes.
Oh shit, wait, who the fuck just went down?
I just...
Alright, well that'll
Okay,
be...
we will be back. We will be back in the presentation
Tyler, stay down
of
there. Go get a
the
feather,
7
bitch.
gym bags.
Buddy.
Okay, so we
Tyler
are
off.
back with the presentation of the 7th flying gym badge. If you would like to do the honors.
There you go, man.
Yeah.
Okay, bye, I'm out.
Swag over. Oh, I swear to club. Okay. See you guys.
You too. We'll see you at the hell later. L8 number 8 TER. Okay, bye.